Morning guys, welcome to Trade Confident. How are we doing? We're going to go over Matic Polygon today. Okay, give you guys a quick update before we jump on in. Currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins on this channel. We've never lost a crypto trade. I will show you guys exactly how we're trading this. A video I did yesterday, our family talk. Hopefully I simplified this down for you guys. I'm going to do another quick little simplified talk today, guys. Our strategy is so simple. We've got the highest win rate on YouTube for trading any cryptocurrencies, and it is simple, but you guys you will understand by the end of this video why it's so simple and how we're making these profits. We're also going to be upping our membership prices. We're going to double our membership prices, so make sure you guys get in there if you guys want to have this going into 2022. Basically, if you're like, I want to move into 2022 with a mentor and a team that trades crypto conservatively, but we still do great money, this is a great place to be. Okay, I'll show you guys that in the second half of the video. I want to get into the analysis right now of Matic. All right, guys, the market's going down. Everyone's accounts are going down. Let's take a look at our account. So we're currently sitting down, let's say about 4.3%. Let's call it 4.3, probably around 4.2, but around 4.3% we're sitting down here, and it's not bad at all. Most people's accounts right now are down around 35 to 40%. So we are doing fantastic. You know, when we start going back up, we will probably be, you can look at your account as well, this doesn't be arrogant, but like we'll probably be the first account that's actually going up. I saw a, you guys know who, do you guys know? Probably. BitBoy Crypto has lost over $10 million in this crash. $10 million. I understand he has a bigger portfolio, but he was kind of serious on a video he did lately. He lost over $10 million. It's kind of ridiculous. So maybe he could benefit from our strategy. Maybe I'll go on the BitBoy channel and teach him about risk management. I'm kind of joking, but not really, kind of not. Like, maybe they could learn from that. Anyways, let's get in here. Guys, this is all we're doing with this strategy. We are trading with 4 different buy limits. Guys, like, how in the world do you guys have 102 wins? That's ridiculous. It honestly is kind of ridiculous, guys. Here's what we do. I'm in this trade with you guys. A lot of us are in this trade. Our first buy limit got hit on January 12th. We still have a buy limit. Second, buy limit 3, buy limit 4. Okay, this is literally just cash sitting down here. I've got about $1,200 at each of these buy limits, and they're just waiting. They're waiting to be picked up, along with about $30,000, $35,000 of cash left in the portfolio to pick up this dip in case we dip even further. Okay, it's so funny, guys. My brother trades options. My dad trades stocks. My best friend trades Forex. And I have another friend that trades binary options. Like, literally, my life is surrounded by trading. And I was talking to my brother yesterday, and he's really into options, and he's into the news a lot. And he's like, man, I got to be honest with you. Like, and even my dad's talking about this too. He's like, this market correction is it looks like it's coming, and people are predicting a 20% drop in the S&P 500. I'm using the VUG because I believe this is a very good, it's a Vanguard Growth ETF. The movements of this, in my opinion, work really well with crypto. And so if you simply look at this of can I just spend like 2 seconds on this? This is really important. Like, this could drop crypto completely. So what we saw in the past here is we see these nice bull runs where it's just absolutely unsustainable. And yes, and here's the thing I want to point out too. Even in these bull runs over here, we are seeing healthy higher low formations. Like, it's moving up, healthy higher low. Awesome. Healthy higher low. Moves up here. But the thing is, it's building these channels all the way up. And when these big channels are broken, guys, like, some huge crashes can happen. Like, some huge crashes, okay? Even this over here where we saw this channel build, we were looking for this crash here. Like, that's not too bad. That's still a decent move down. Now look at this over here. This is one of the largest channels we've ever built over here, and it's larger too. So a break back down to the structure support of this channel could easily push us down here. If funny enough, like, my brother's talking about the S&P 500, but if you look at this and he was predicting a 20% drop, I'm like, that's interesting because this actually shows around a 25 to 26% drop down to structure low. Even if you come down here and you look at this high right there, look at this high here, that is right around that 20% mark. So I'm like, he's reading news articles of a possible 20% drop. Guys, if this drops 20%, I really hope that you guys have cash in your portfolios. This Matic is going to easily blast past our second buy limit and probably come down and maybe hit our third one. Like, you talk about coins like Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, if the market crashes 20%, there's no doubt in my mind we're gonna probably go down to about $2,000. Okay, for Ethereum. Bitcoin, let me give a quick prediction on this because I've been looking at this a lot. $30,000. like not even like that big of a deal. $30,000 if we see a 20% market crash for S&P 500. People are predicting that. And so I'm not saying that that's going to happen. I'm not getting doom and gloom on anybody. All I'm saying is, do you know for a fact if that's going to happen or not? And the honest answer is no, you don't. And the honest answer for me is no, heck no, I don't know either. So what are you going to do? There's only one way to trade these markets. It is with risk management, multiple buy limits. I'm convinced of this, guys. After being being the highest win rate channel on all of YouTube, maybe in the crypto sphere, we have never lost a trade because of the risk management that we're using. And okay, that's a great stat. Let me just pull us back here for a second. That's a great stat. What's a better stat than winning all of our trades is how much our account is not down in the bear market right now. Guys, people at crypto lost over $10 million. People are down about 45 to 50% in their accounts because of the drop. I just did a video on this yesterday. If you guys watched that, I showed you literal percentages to prove that most accounts right now are down about 40 to 50%. If you use leverage, forget it. You just lost your tens of thousands of dollars. And I've had emails about that. Guys, being down 4.2%, that is it. That means when this crash comes, if you are trading with us, you are going to be your accounts will be afloat and surviving while everyone else's are crashing. Okay, watch this. How else are we going to predict these moves? We're going to use the price versus money flow, and we are going to use the trend exhaustion. These three indicators are going up. It's the last time you guys can get them this month. Literally, you guys have 11 days left, and they're never going to be cheaper than this again, okay? January 25th, they go up. So what we're seeing here is we saw the whale money flow, okay? Price action in pink, whale money flow in green here. We saw the whale money flow get very high. Guys, when this gets high and the trend exhaustion is high as well, this is where you need to be looking for drops. It's the simplest way to predict market drops. Like, again, if you guys are spending, if you watched yesterday's video, if you're spending any more than 15 minutes on the chart a day, you are overcomplicating things. I'll show you how to set up the buy limits in a couple minutes here, but you'll set up buy limits and then you're just going to get into trades and you're going to exit when the trend exhaustion is high and the price versus whale money flow is high, okay? I want to show this to you guys in here that when you see the whale money flow high, trend exhaustion high, this is when we're getting drops. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're in a bear market, it doesn't matter if you're in a bull market. This is where we're looking for drops, okay? If you see up here the whale money flow got high and just look at this simply the last time we ended up pushing up here, we ended up seeing the top of Matic and we ended up calling this drop in the market. We were able to do this if you guys are watching this channel. You guys are looking at this move up here. Okay, how do we call that? Trend exhaustion high, price versus whale money flow high. This ended up calling the drop as well. And you can see in here that these higher high formations and higher low formations are all being predicted with the trend exhaustion down here when we push up there. That's where the drops are happening, guys. Whale money flow high, trend exhaustion high. This is where you're getting drops. These are the indicators you guys want on your charts. If you guys literally want to get up and you want to feel like you can predict the markets and have this feeling of, oh my gosh, like I know where the market's going, it's a powerful feeling, okay? It's a very fun and powerful feeling. These are the ones that you guys need. Now let's pull this into the current time frame. Do you guys see what's happened in here? Even when we start moving down, when we get to these lower sections right here, this is where we wick down, we started to move straight back up. The second time we came down to the red zone, we started to move back up. Third time we came down to the red zone of the trend exhaustion, we saw a move back up, okay? It's predicting the moves. Just don't cherry pick. The time right after that, what do we see? When we got down there, we saw a move back up. All right, even over here, we saw the move back up in the price. Okay, in this one right over here, we saw the move back up. So not only is this calling the drops, but it's also calling the pumps as well, guys. This is so accurate. What can we now assess here from the two indicators? We can assess this, that as the trend exhaustion is low here and price versus whale money flow is going down, yes, it has a little bit more room because this is technically the bottom here. We could see a further move down. But what I'm watching for soon is a pump back up on Matic. Like, that's it. Like, this isn't complicated, guys. But the thing is a lot of people and retail traders, because I can see this right now, they're selling. They're looking at all their retail trader indicators over here. They're like, okay, my RSI, stochastic, and MACD is bearish. We're completely bearish on all of our moving averages, our major ones. We're going to sell. It's like, yeah, you can do that, but I'm telling you guys right now that this is actually looking at our metrics perspective. These are about 75 to 80% correct. I'm looking for more of a move back up. Now, if we move down and hit our second buy limit, awesome. That's actually, I would rather this move down and hit our second buy limit than stay where it's at. Because if once this hits, guys, we're going to have a break-even entry that goes into the middle here, and we're actually going to immediately save ourselves, literally, from the bottom here, if it hits this, about 17%. Our break-even entry moves down halfway. So we're going to immediately save ourselves 7.7% without doing anything. Literally, I'm in this trade right now with you guys in Matic. And I don't care if I'm golfing or whatever I'm doing. Once it hits this buy limit down here, we're automatically going to all save 7%, get more money in the market, and we're all going to make more money when it goes back up. So guys, let's make this simple. You have 4 buy limits with the same amount of money at each place. Once the trend exhaustion comes back up here and crosses above this red zone here, and the well money flow is high, if we're in profit above the first buy limit, guys, I'm just going to look for an exit and call it out in Telegram. That's all we're doing. This is so simple and so much fun. So here's what I want you guys to do. If you do not have the alert set up already, I want you guys to be doing this. And I think I already have it on Matic. I do have it over here. I'm going to take this off so I can set it up for you guys again. I promise I'll go over the metrics here and I'll show this to you guys because it actually is really important. But I want to get this set up, guys. This is how we're making our money. Like, you want to know how we're making this money and how people are doing tens of thousands of dollars? Like, this is how we're doing this. Come over here and set up the alert. This is going to be for the trend exhaustion. Everyone who gets this indicator in the description, you guys get the alert function with this automatically. Okay, what I'm looking for is when the red line comes back up here and crosses above this top red section here. That's what I'm looking for, and then we're looking for the drop back down. But that's also where I'm looking for the exit. You guys want to trade with me? Do this, because I'm going to set this up for myself as well. Go to Matic, click over here under the alerts, click plus. I want you guys to click down here. Go to trend exhaustion, and I want you guys to simply just watch for drop. 2 options: watch for pump, watch for drop. Do watch for drop, okay, guys? You guys can choose open-ended if you have a pro account or a premium account on TradingView, or you guys can do once per bar. I'm going to do once per bar on here. All I'm going to do is come down here. I'm going to do watch, okay? Watch for drop, and this is going to be on Matic. That's it. And I'm going to create this, and now I've got an alert that's just automatically set up here for when the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section up here. That is where I'm going to get an alert. I'm going to look for an exit, and then I'm going to be exiting the trade if we're about 6 to 7, 8% in the profit, targeting about 10% is what I'm going to target on this trade. Okay, that's it, guys. Like, literally, that's it. That's all we're going to be doing, and we're just going to rinse and repeat over and over again. You guys know we took like a 24% run on Matic already in like the last 3 months. It was so sweet. Matic has been like our #1 winning coin. We have gone in and out of Matic like more times than any other coin. Very active coin. Get your buy limits set up. Okay, let's take a look at the metrics to give us an over idea of what the market's doing for Matic. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. These will update. It's currently 6:35 right now. All right, the emotional index right now is pushing up into the excited area. When this gets excited, guys, you need to be watching for whales and institutions to short this out. Okay, let me just make that very clear. The markets move based off emotions, especially retail trader emotions. And when this gets high up here in the excited area, you need to be watching for drops. Long for short trade risk. We're sitting up here, and the short trade was where we had favor. Guess what? Right when we pushed up into the good short trade, what happened? Matic started to move back down. Okay, these metrics are incredibly accurate, guys. When this pushed up in here to this metric value of great short trades, that's when we got up here, got an overextension, and that's when the crash came. When we called out a great short trade. Now look down here. Where was the great long trade? This was down here on the dip and the pump back up, calling this move right over here. That's how we were able to get into some of these moves, and we already took a win up here if you guys remember, and then we got back into this move here. Okay, guys, this is so much fun. Like, to be able to predict the markets, like imagine this for a second with me. You guys sign up. Awesome, you guys get ridiculous discounts because we're upping the monthly membership, and in 2022 you never take a crypto loss. Imagine that. Like, what would that do to your confidence in trading, to what you're telling your friends, your family, how you actually are able to manage money so in a bear market you don't lose it all? You go down maybe maximum 10-15% instead of 60 to 70% while other people are losing their entire account balances. Like, this is the future of trading. The future of trading is not pump and dump coins, guys. That's what people do when they get emotional. If you want to come in here and gamble your hard-earned money away, go into pump and dump coins. That's not what we do, guys. Can you imagine? Literally, this is a literal call that I've had. This is just like entertainment value at the moment. I've literally had a call where I've been on a call, and this happened multiple times. A guy got on the call with me when I was doing a coaching. He's like, hey, I run a hedge fund. I have $10 million right now that I need to get in and out of the market. Another guy, hey, I've got $10 million I want to put in this coin. What do I do? And by the way, if you guys have that much money, you need to be using the OTC counter for Coinbase. And I've set some of my clients up with that. So basically, if you guys are going to be trying to transact over $1 million for any of these coins, you guys understand that when you guys get into the altcoins, Coinbase will literally stop your transaction from going through if you place around $100,000 to $200,000 for some of these altcoins. Bitcoin, it can go through, but they understand that the liquidity is actually out there to help you guys. So when you get into these bigger accounts, and people I've helped with that have multi-millions and even billions of dollars here, you actually have to use an OTC counter. Okay, anyways. Imagine me coming out on the phone call with a hedge fund that's got hundreds of millions of dollars. And I'm like, yeah, our strategy is we get into pump coins and we make a lot of money. No, that's not what they want to hear. They would quickly turn around, hang up on the phone call, and we'd be done. What I teach the hedge funds I work with and what I teach the millionaire traders that I work with who are like, 50, 60, they're going into retirement and they're like, look, I understand crypto. I'm speaking to someone right now. I just know that I am. Like those of you guys who are older, you're like, okay, I get this. The baby boomers. You guys are like, crypto's new. I see crypto has a great potential out there to make money, but I am in a stage in life between, let's say, 50 and 65, where your Social Security is coming to you around 65. You want to protect your assets and your cash. You want to take advantage of crypto, the pumps, but you don't want to lose all your money because you're still trying to harvest that cash if you need it for emergencies, bills, hospice and all that stuff going into the future, right? Yes. Trust me, I know. I've coached many people on this. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm giving you guys proof here. You have to use good risk management during these times. Okay. Like yesterday I mentioned this. I was like, do you guys want to go through a famine where your accounts are down 50 to 60% and all you've got, would you rather be down 4% in your account and you've got bread and some top ramen to feed your family, or do you want to be down 40 to 50% and you have to sell the house of where you guys live for your family? Like, I know it's a drastic point, but I'm trying to make a point here of why we trade this, and a ton of people are signing up with us because I'm not into making you guys crazy amounts of money overnight. I'm going to do this steady, and I'm going to make us money over the long run so we can trust this and we can still hold accounts up in the bear market. Sorry, that was way longer than what I thought it was, but hopefully you guys got some good stuff out of that. All right. Well, institutional smart money. We're seeing that short trades are coming out here to the downside, and this is putting pressure, guys. When you get an overextension like this, it's going to put pressure on the price down. We're already seeing that happen. Come down here, support and resistance prices. Greatest level of resistance is at 245. Support is at 218. So if we break 218 here, take 218 was up here at this level, that being broke is pushing us down even further. If we come over here and look at this, the next support I'm looking at is 185, which is around 189, about 190. This is the area I'm looking at, guys. It's right around the structure support. Let's just get this out of the way for a second. There's a reason why I put the second buy limit above the bottom of structure support here of wick value. It's because everyone and their mother is going to try to get in down here, and that's not where we want to get in. We want to get in a little bit higher than that. So if this market crashes further, I'm going to do some celebrating over here because it's going to get more money into the market, guys. Definitely a great time to be buying. All right. So looking at this, I am looking for another move up on Matic. That I am. But if we move down here, it's going to hit more buy limits. So the point of this that I'm making is get your buy limit set up right now for Matic. Those of you guys who have new money, get your buy limit set up and I'll show you that. Dollar cost average entries. As we move down here, you guys are getting very good entries here. You guys were actually able to take this all the way from back here on this channel. So everybody who's taken this, you guys are actually on the profit for any trades you've ever taken. Some of you guys actually we took all these as well. Because we actually started in March of last year, and this is only October. So this is plenty of time. Like, you guys got into all these trades here. Matic, you've been doing so well if you've been a diamond hand holder with us. Good job, guys. Like, good job for everyone who's diamond hand. What we're looking at here is exit points in the market for Matic. So as this starts moving back up, we want to come out here. We want to look for this red line to come out for a move back down. That's what I'll be using that for, okay, for Matic. All right, let me show you guys how to get into this trading over here, because this is how we've won all 102 trades. I hope this goes down because this will give us a better break-even entry. I'll talk about that when we end, but let me show this to you guys. Here's what we're doing. We are officially upping our membership on February 25th, 2022. Literally just in about just over a month here, we're upping our membership. We're increasing it from $49 a month. We're going to up it to $95 a month because this is way too cheap. Again, like I told you guys, I literally coach millionaires in here. It's like, they ask me, they're like, Travis, like, why are you charged so cheap? I'm like, honestly, it's because I want other people to get in, and I know where I was 10 years ago, and I had like $1,000, if that, to put into crypto. So I want people who don't have a lot of money to be able to get in now, and literally, I will give you guys this membership for life if you want to just stay at $49 a month. Like, it literally is going to double here on February 25th, but I will grandfather everybody in, so if you want to stay at $49 and never unsubscribe, you will just get this literally membership fee forever. It's going to be crazy for you guys to take advantage of. So get this today. Again, don't unsubscribe. You will literally get access to all of our metrics, all of our trade calls, and we have some incredible things coming in 2022 that I won't release all of it now. I did some in yesterday's video, but you don't want to miss this, basically. Okay, that's going to give you access to all the metrics, and it's going to give you access to the live trades. So let's go over this today in this video. Every single one of our 102 wins have all been called out on this single page right here for tradeconfident.io under the live trade section. Now, today we're obviously talking about Matic, so we're going to look at Matic here. Let's go all the way down to Matic right there, Polygon. So you guys are going to click in here. You want to click right here, and this will give you guys all the buy limits today. I'm going to show you guys this on Bitcoin to keep the rest of it private for our paying subscribers. Here's what you're going to see today. This is going to change from 117 to 118 because obviously it's going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which right now is at 6:42. Here's what you guys are going to do. This is so simple. Nobody overcomplicate this. Promise me you won't overcomplicate it, okay? Here's all you're going to do. Take the amount of money you want to trade this strategy with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split $1,000 into 4 equal portions. You're just going to take 1,000 divided by 4, it's 250. Or you take the amount divided by 4. 250 at this buy limit, 250, 250, and 250. So simple. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're just simply going to set up your sell limit for 100% in your exchange at the green line. This is in case crypto explodes overnight and we see some incredible gains over here. You want to be prepared for this move back up. Okay. Once you do that, follow me in the Telegram channel with the rest of our thousands of traders, and you guys will actually be able to see where I'm exiting all the coins with my own personal account. You guys want to follow me, and you guys are like, okay, awesome, I get it. You've been trading since March. Your account's hardly down anything. You have good risk management. How do I trade with you? Here's how you do this. Get the membership. Get into some buy limits and follow me in Telegram and use the indicators. So the Telegram channel, sign up on your Telegram, personal Telegram, on your phone or your computer first, click this link, and then come over here and get into the Telegram channel. It's literally, once you click it and you're logged into Telegram on your computer, download the app on your computer for Telegram, click it, the link, it will open up another page for our members, and it'll literally just add you in this group over here with our 4,697 members over here, okay? So once you do that, you want to get the indicators, trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow. These are the ones that you guys want to be getting. Now, here's the deal on the indicators that a lot of people, we're talking about this over email. We originally were just going to up the price versus well money flow on the 25th. Excuse me, the 28th of this month, the last Friday of this month. I am getting the February 25th and 28th mixed up a little bit. The prices go up February 28th, which is the last Friday of January, okay? We were originally just going to up the price for swell money flow. We are upping the trend dashboard as well as the trend exhaustion, okay? These are all going up in price at the end of this month, January 28th. It's before the end, so get it now so it's not like the last minute. You're like, oh, it's at the end of the month. No, it's not. It's actually on the 28th, so you need to be getting this sooner. Now, the bundle pack, this is absolutely going to be the best deal because what I'm giving you guys with this is all 3 of the ones that you need, plus you're getting an extra 21% off all 3 indicators. You can get them individually. That's totally fine. You're going to be overpaying 21%. Just to let you guys know, this is going to be going up. Make sure you take advantage of this because this is what I've been using to call the tops and drops. You saw me call these already. Watch this as proof. Watch to see, like literally put the indicators to test if you guys want. Watch to see this down here. When this gets down here and the well money flows low, I am expecting to see a move back up on Matic. That's what I'm expecting here, and I wouldn't doubt if we actually start seeing this within the next 24 hours because we're on the 4-hour time frame. Watch as this moves back up and the indicators call this. That's what we're giving you guys over here. You get the indicators for life. It is not a monthly subscription, okay? It's a one-time purchase. You get the source code as well on TradingView, so nobody can take it away from you. Absolutely the best deal you guys can get on indicators, hands down. And you guys get a total of 9 in the bundle pack, 9 indicators versus just 3, and it's pretty much the exact same price. So this is a no-brainer deal for all of you guys who are coming up and you're signing over here. Go into 2022 with a team that hasn't lost a trade, but we are very conservative on our trades here. So when the market crashes, we're not going to be losing it all. When the market goes up, we're still going to be making very good money. Like literally, guys, if you watch my account, we grew $7,000 in a single day. $7,000 in a single day when we hit this little pump phase right here. Once Bitcoin starts pumping up here again, this is going to go up by the tens of thousands of dollars. Okay? It is a matter of time, and it is patience that you guys need on these charts, okay? So make sure you guys are getting the indicators in the description. So call the pumps and the drops with us. That's the trend exhaustion price as well money flow, the bundle pack, because that's going up in price. And make sure you guys get into the actual membership over here because we are upping this membership price to $95 a month starting February 25th, 2022, but we will grandfather everybody in. All right, guys? God bless you so much. Have an amazing day. Get trades set up. Get into the Telegram channel. Here's the thing. Sign up for the membership. Get into the Telegram channel. Get the indicators. Set your live trades. That's all you guys got to do. Start trading with us, and we can help you over email. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. If you guys have any questions beyond that, make sure you guys are coming down here, read the FAQ section, and this will answer all your guys' questions honestly, before we can even get back to you over email. 95% of all the questions we've ever received is under the FAQ. Super fast questions you guys have answered. You want to know the entire strategy and even how to place all your orders, buy limits, sell limits, and all that on Coinbase? This video right here, guys, is gold. I know there's a lot of people who are brand new to this video, and if you watch this long and you're like, what is this guy? Like, how in the world is he doing all this? Watch this video. It's open to the public. Seriously, come over here to tradeconfident.io, click on Bitcoin live trading, scroll down to the bottom, and watch the tutorial video of our strategy step by step. I'll show you everything that we do, how to get buy limits set up, how to set up sell limits, how to set up stop losses, how to get market orders, sell limits. Everything you need is in this video. Once you watch this, you are going to understand why we've never lost a trade, and you'll be like, okay, I'm ready. I want to trade with you guys, okay? It is incredible. And then on top of that, you're getting access to all of our metrics, which are calling the tops and bottoms as well. Okay, guys? Have a good one. I want to do a couple more videos today. I don't want to make this too long, but have a great one, guys. Everything you need is in the description, as well as I pinned it to the first YouTube comment as well. God bless you guys. Let's make some money, get some money in your accounts in case we drop, and let's see if we can get a move back up here soon, because I'm expecting that based off the indicators. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.